Aloha! Hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe. Today we're gonna make Sweet Azuki Bean Buns, or I like to call them Sweet Azuki Bean Bao, cause it's the same dough as the manapua. In Hawaii we say manapua, everybody else says chashu bao. So I put in my azuki beans. Make sure it's on seal. Let's go make our dough. Now we're gonna make our bao dough. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. A little bit of salt. 2 tablespoons sugar. Oi. Not teaspoon, sorry. 2 teaspoons of sugar. I already mixed my yeast. 1/2 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast. Look, it's all foamy. And it smells like sweet, clean feet. About a tablespoon of shortening or baking grease. Oop. Put this away. Then we're gonna slowly incorporate the yeast water. See? So when it stops sticking, that's good. Round it up a little bit. Ta-da! Take this off. Cover it. I'm gonna get a towel, cover it, and put it in a warm place. Good. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on my board. Come on, let's do. So I'm just scooping it out. A little bit sticky. That's okay. Sticky is good. Come on, baby. I'm gonna divide these up into, well, let's see how much we can get. So with this, I'm gonna do 8 pieces because I want to make them small. And then I'm gonna make them into little balls. Look, the flour getting everywhere. Ayah. It's okay, I gotta clean them up later anyway. Just pinch the corners together. Make a little ball. After the 25 minutes, turn it off and then let it sit for 10 minutes and then release the steam. Careful, still super hot. Oh, the buggers are still boiling. Let me test some. Careful, it's hot. Just aside. Careful, careful. It's still very hot. Drain the water. Get in there. I have to do this in sections. Can you all fit? Oh yes, very good, very good. And you can put as much sugar as you want. Today I'm using 1/3 cup. Oh, that's all the sugar I got. About there, that's good. Still hot. It's still hot. I gotta let it cool down. I'll go clean up. I put this on ice because it was taking too long to cool down. I got wax paper. This is the same thing like making manapua. It's just the inside is different. Out. A little bit of this. You know what would have been easier if I rolled them in balls. Didn't do. Up and pinch the corners. Round it a little. Your wax paper. Oops. Boop. Put it in the steamer. Get another guy. Flatten them out like a boat. Pull up and pinch. Pull up and pinch. Pull up and pinch. Gently pull up and pinch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Boop. I think I can only fit 3 without them touching. I don't want them touching. So I put 1 cup of water, I put the steaming thingamajiggy, and I could only fit 3 so it wouldn't touch. I'm gonna steam. I'm gonna try 8 minutes. Let's see how that goes. So steam, seal. Make sure it's sealed. 8 minutes steam. But it will probably take 10 minutes to get to the 8-minute mark. I'm nervous and I'm scared. Let's see. Never used the steam before. Had plenty left over. I'll adjust the recipe. bad. Not bad, not bad. But I'm gonna try steam the others and let's compare. Oh, dun 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 dun, taste test. Dun 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 dun, taste test. Dun. Difference. Oh, yeah. Oh. This one's This one was steamed with the Instant Pot, and this one was made in the bamboo steamer. The only difference is this one's a little firmer. That's all. That's all. They both came out awesome. I was really pleasantly surprised. I didn't know how it would come out, but it came out good. The steamer. Up to you.